For Dyson V10 V11 V12 V15 Vacuum Cleaner Charger Power Cord Adapter Replaceable Parts Battery Power Adapter 30.45 V1.1a. For Dyson V10 V11 V12 V15 Vacuum Cleaner Charger Power Cord Adapter Replaceable Parts Battery Power Adapter 30.45 V1.1a Review. The Dyson V10, V11, V12, and V15 vacuum cleaners are all great machines, but they all require a proprietary charger. If you lose your charger or if it breaks, you'll need to buy a replacement from Dyson. However, you can also save money by buying a third-party charger. The for Dyson V10 V11 V12 V15 vacuum cleaner charger is a great option for those who are looking for a replacement charger for their Dyson vacuum cleaner.